Welcome back, Curry Crew. Today we have a delicious recipe for you guys, so I'm not going to delay it any further. Let's get into it. So guys, today's recipe is going to be super delicious, super easy to make, and we're going to jump right in. But before we do that, like always, punch that notification bell, and we're on the road to 300, so share our video so that we can grow our Curry Crew, and let's jump into the recipe. So today we're going to be showing you guys how to make some delicious paneer at home so that you can either use it for any of the Indian dishes that you try on our channel or any Indian dishes that you guys love, and you can also use it to stop buying paneer from outside and make some high quality paneer at home. So to start, we're going to take half a gallon of milk, and this equals about 1.9 liters of milk, and you can pour it into your big pan, and then we're going to bring it to a simmer while stirring occasionally to avoid any sticking to the bottom of the pan. So for this recipe, we're using organic whole milk, and that's just so that we can get the best quality paneer that we can possibly make at home. So paneer is very easy to make, and it will taste amazing in a lot of gravies and dishes that you try. It's used a lot in Indian cooking, but you can also try using it in Asian cooking. When it comes to like Thai food, you can replace tofu with paneer, and that will make it taste really delicious as well. So it's really similar to ricotta in a way that it's made, but it's more firm like tofu would be. So like I said before, just make sure you keep stirring your milk in between to ensure that it does not burn or stick to the sides of the pan. And once your milk starts to boil, turn off the gas, and then we will take juice from 1 lemon, and we're going to mix it with about 2 to 3 tablespoons of warm water, and then we're going to pour this mixture into our milk. This will curdle the milk and separate the paneer curds from the whey. And after we do this, we want to wait a few minutes for the milk to curdle and also cool down a bit, and then we can take a cheesecloth or any cloth that we have laying around, and we can pour and strain our liquid from the pot into this. So this will allow us to separate the whey from the curds and also pack our curds into the cloth. So don't throw away the whey. You can actually use it for kneading like dough when it comes to making Indian breads. It'll make your bread really nice and soft. You can also use it for baking or whatever you might be using a little bit of water when it comes to packing a dough together. Because you still have some of the milk proteins in this, it will make whatever you're baking or cooking with a dough a lot softer and a lot more moist, and it will taste amazing. So definitely hang on to it if you want to. And the reason that we are putting all of the paneer curds into the cloth is so that we can squeeze out all of the moisture and the liquid from the curds and also form our paneer into one block. So you want to squeeze as much liquid as you can with your hands out of the paneer, and then place the paneer on a strainer and place something heavy on top to continue straining the paneer with the weight. And you can set this aside for about 4 hours to let it strain out all of the liquid and also form the paneer into like a ball shape. After about 4 hours, we will unwrap our paneer from the cloth, and we will place it into an ice water bath for about 30 minutes just so that the paneer can further solidify into a singular block. After about 30 minutes, you can take it out of the ice water, and you can either store it as it is or you can cut it up into little cubes to be used later. And there you have it. Our awesome homemade paneer is ready for us to use in a variety of dishes. So guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Paneer is super delicious and super versatile, so you can add it in a lot of dishes, and it's very easy to make like you guys saw in the video. So try it out at home. You'll love it more than store-bought paneer, and it will be very simple for you to add it into a lot of your dishes. And keep on cooking.